Are you tired of replacing or repairing the rear Y pipe that's cracked on your 93 to 2008 Harley-Davidson touring bike? Or have you already found a replacement where the left header in the rear sticks out so far it burns your passenger's leg? If you answered yes to any of those questions, Khrome Werks has the answer for you. Clay here from Dissident Customs, and we've just finished installing this Khrome Werks HP crossover headers on this 95 Electra Glide. You can say goodbye to your cracked header pipe on the rear. Available in chrome for $599.95 and in black for $649.99. This header only kit accepts any 95 to 16 OEM style dresser mufflers and includes all necessary hardware for installation, as well as new conical type exhaust port gaskets. The retaining rings, exhaust flanges, and exhaust port nuts will need to be removed from your old exhaust and reused. Heat transmission is reduced to the rider and passenger by routing the front pipe under the frame instead of under the seat. This system is lighter and offers better flow and more top-end power than factory, and also includes two 18mm O2 sensor ports and plugs. We're not going too in-depth for the install as it's pretty straightforward. You will need to remove the right front footboard and the saddlebags, and the 4 transmission oil pan mounting bolts, 2 from each side, to facilitate the installation of the crossover mounting bracket. All in all, the fitment is great and the install is a breeze. You definitely get what you pay for. When it's never enough for your motorcycle, head over to dissidentcustoms.com where you can purchase the Khrome Werks HP Plus crossover headers, link in the description below. If you're local, feel free to come by the shop and we'll be happy to install them for you as well. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video or found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Check back for future videos, and until then, ride safe and keep your knees in the breeze.